Good morning everyone. This video is about change history function of Google Ads. This is a very generic function of Google Ads. For instance, there are certain reasons when you need a change history. For instance, if you created an ad, uh, but an ad, and later on you changed it, you changed the ad. Uh, you may need to, and if you want to figure out what was the original ad, you may need to go to the change history. And for instance, yesterday you did some several changes on your campaign, such as bidding changes, and the next day you find your conversations very bad, or your quality score goes down, or you found like your campaign has been like messed up, and you want to reverse all those changes. So in order to figure out and find out what changes you done yesterday, this tool is a very beneficial tool, to reverse changes which are uh, being done on your Google Ads account. And the changes can be anything from keywords, bidding, even if you invited someone and you wanted to figure out who you invited, or even if you removed someone, or even for instance, if there are multiple people managing an account. Let's say you have a manager, you have an account account owner, and a Google partner. And for instance, a mistake is being done by a manager, and later on all the blame goes to the Google partner. So what you can do is, you can explain why this change history function, like who did the change and how did the change. So this way you can also figure out, even if there are changes not done by you and someone else on the account, you can even tell to the owner, like there is the other guy who is messing up with the campaign. So this is another advantage of change history. But by general, you can all see for a particular date, you can also see impressions or whatever has been done. So in order to find out, let's see the tutorial through which we can figure out. For instance, this is the dashboard of an account, and I wanted to know what changes were being done in the last month and who did all the changes. So let's say if I, from here in the dashboard, I go to the more section, you can see this more. When I press this more button, it's being showed location, ad schedule, devices changes. There is an option change history. So you have to press this change history option, and see, with 28 July to 24 August, there are being 12 changes, including one account changes and add 8 changes. And from here I can see user date, who was the person who did the change, time, date for the campaign, for the ad group, everything is being visible. When you can see 2 responsive ads being changed from enable to post, one on 18th August there was another change, what kind of headline changes, it's all being sorted out. So even if there is another guy who is doing any change here, it will be shown here what kind of a change. So in case if you want to reverse on, this can be a very good and beneficial tool for anyone who wants to do this. Thanks for watching it out. Follow me for more videos, and if you are looking for my personal consultation or ad setup or management, do reach me out. Thank you for watching it out. Bye bye.